Welcome learners for the lecture 26 of a mathematical method. Today we are discussing some numericals for the value depending about the finite Fourier transform. Okay, let us go start it. Show that is a u xt of the differential equation, that is a del square u upon del x square equals to 1 by k del u upon del t. This is a del square u upon del x square equals to 1 by k del u upon del t. This is the form for the equation will be given to the sum of the numericals. Okay, 0 is greater than or equals to x is greater than or equals to a for t greater than or equals to 0. Okay, satisfying to the boundary condition, value will be generated, that is a u x0 equals to f of x0 is considered to the value to the a can be expressed by the formula. This formula will be given, that is a u xt equals to 2 by a function of the form, that is a sine n e to the power minus k n square pi square t upon a square, considering sine n pi x upon a. All of this condition will be applied to the form. Okay, what is the solution of this? Given differential equation will be considering del square u upon del x square equals to 1 by k del u upon del t. First of all, they will be written in the form. This is the equation first. Satisfying to the boundary condition, that is generated u x0 equals to f of x0 is less than or equals to x less than or equals to a. Okay, we apply to the finite Fourier sine transform. Then function of a sine generated, del square u upon del x square n equals to 1 by k is a common, del u upon del t n will be generated. Then function of a sine f of t n equal to, formula will be generated, f of t considering as a upon del x square. Okay, then integration 0 to a f of t sine n pi x upon a dx will be generated. Then value will be put up, integration 0 to a del square u upon del x square sine considering as a n pi x upon a dx. Okay, put up to the value of this equation 1 by k integration 0 to a. Then function of this value, that is a integration 0 to a del square u upon del x square will be generating to the form, that is a sine n pi x upon a dx. Then put up this value, that is a 1 pi k is a constant, that del u upon del t is a f of t. They generated to the value sine n pi x upon a dx. Then formula will be considering, that is a d by dt integration 0 to a. For integrating to the value, u will be common. Common means they both of this u and sine is integrated to the part, and other this value will be considering, then this value will be generated to the del square u upon del x square. Okay, put up to the form, that is a d by dt us xt equals to generated to the form, because this formula will be generating, equals to k integration 0 to a sine n pi x upon a del square u upon del x square dx square will be generated. Then this value will be considering, where value will be put at us xt equals to this value generated to the form of the integrating to the value, put up to the condition, then k is a constant, integration 0 to a u sine considering n pi x upon a dx, because this value will be generated in this condition for applying to the rule of this, means put up to the value of this condition us xt. What is mean by us xt? Us xt is the integration 0 to a u sine n pi x upon a dx. Okay, this is the formula. This is the second equation. Okay, put up to the other value, integrated by the part d by dt us xt equals to k sine of a n pi x upon a del u upon del x 0 to a minus second part of a integration, this is a constant value n pi upon a cos n pi x upon a dx will be generated. Then same as a k is a constant, both of this value will be put up 0 to a in the all the condition, that is the sine n pi del u upon del x x equals to a, and same value will be sine 0 considering del u upon del x equals to x equals to 0, and another part n pi upon a is a common, integration 0 to a cos of a n pi x upon a dx will be generated, because given to the condition, that will be the formula will be used as sine n pi minus sine 0 equals to 0, but cos n pi minus cos 0 is considered as a cos n pi means minus 1 to the power n, and cos 0 means 1. But this value, when we uses n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 3, both of this condition will be rotated in the two quadrant, and they will be generated as a 0 value. Hence this value will be 0 will be generated. Okay, again by integrated to the part only as this value, not getting as this value because this is a sin 0 equals to 0. Both of this condition is 0. This is a k minus sin n pi upon a integration 0 to a. First of all, first integration will be integrated to the part that is a cos n pi x upon a. This is a u value integrated 0 to a minus sin integration 0 to a n pi upon a minus sin n pi x upon a u dx. Okay, put all this value and generate it to the form that is a minus k upon n pi upon a cos n pi upon u x equals to 0 and minus cos 0 u x equals to a. Both of this value will be generated plus n pi upon a integration 0 to a sin n pi x upon a u dx. Then you know that this value will be x equals to 0 will be put up, pi will be generated 0 value. This is the common value will be considering by equation second, or the boundary condition will be given to the question, that is a d by dt us nt equals to minus, this is a k is a constant, n square pi square upon a square us nt will be generated. Means a d by considering to the form in this integrated, this dt will be transferring to the another form, left hand side to right hand side, us nt upon nt will be generated equals to minus considering to the form n square pi square k upon a square dt will be generated. This dt will be transferring this form, this nt will be transfer this form only given to the condition that is a us nt generating to the form, and again integrated by the part that is this value will be generated, that is the log of us nt equals to minus n square pi square k t upon a square. T will be considering this is a constant value will be generated to the form, and another part will be generating to the condition. Okay, then after that they will be both of this condition will be transferring to the form that is a minus n square pi square k upon t a square plus log a will be generated a constant value. This log a will be transferring to the left hand side, then generated to the find the value of a. First of all, a value, put t equals to 0 in equation third, us and t equals to a e to the power 0 equals to a. Okay, this is equation. Put 2 the put equation 2, that is a us and t equals to integration 0 to a you consider into sin n pi x upon a dx. Then put up t equals to 0, same as a condition, t equals to 0, us n 0 equals to a, 0 value will be generated, integration 0 to a u x 0 sin n pi x upon a dx, given to the condition that will be generated to the form us n 0 equals to a equals to integration 0 to a f of x sin n pi x upon a dx will be generated. Put value in equation 3, that is a will be generating e to the power minus n square pi square kt upon a. Then put up to the form taking inverse form of the Fourier sine transform, that will be generated to the form function of a sine minus 1 u nt x equals to u x t will be generated, that is a 2 by a summation n equals to 1 infinity us nt sine n pi x upon a will be generated. This is the proof of this equation, that is a u x t equals to 2 by a f of s n e to the power minus k square n square pi square t upon a square sine n pi x upon a. This is the proof of this equation. Okay, this will be the formula will be uses and find to the value of the equation. Next question will be considering, that is a solve the differential equation, that is a del square u upon del x square equals to 1 by k del u upon del t, same as a formula will be given as a same condition will be uses, this formula in a previous formula will be considering. Okay, get it as a shortcut form, that will be the given differential equation is generating del square u upon del x square equals to 1 by k del u upon del t, only as a condition will be changing to the form satisfying to the boundary condition is a given, that this formula d by dt n 0 t equals to d by dx u a t equals to 0, t is always greater than 0. Same value will be put up applied to the Fourier cosine form of this formula. Okay, same formula f of c del u upon del t n equals to k will be considering f of c del square u upon del x square n will be generating. Then since f of c f of t equals to n generated to the value that is the integration, means what we say, this k will be transferring this form and this is the generated to the value. Then condition will be applied. F of cosine formula of f of t is a integration 0 to a f of t cos n pi x upon a t. Put this value in both of this left hand side as well as right hand side to the formula, same as a previous lecture. Integration 0 to a del u upon del t cos n pi x upon a dx equals to k constant f of c integration 0 to here del square u upon del x square cos n pi x upon a dx. Same as this will be constant into the form and they will be integrated both of this part and put up to the value of this equation where u and t equals to integration 0 to a you consider as a cos n pi x upon dx. Then derivative of this formula us and t equals to k is a constant and derivative consider this form. This is cos n pi x upon a. This derivative will be generating to the form del u upon del t 0 to a minus same as a condition n pi upon a minus sin n pi x upon a dx. Then k is a constant cos n pi. Put up to the value of a is a constant. Only write in the del u upon del t minus cos 0 will be generated. This as the same value will be generating to the form of this equation. Then apply to the rule for del u upon del t 0 to t equals to del u upon del t a to t equals to 0 value. Again integrated by the part of this equation, then generating to the formula that will be generated to the part again integrated to the formula. Then k is a constant cos n pi upon del u upon del t x equals to a minus cos 0 will be considering that is a del u upon del t x equals to a. Same as another problem that will be given to the n pi upon a is a common minus minus considering as a plus sin n pi x upon a del u upon del t dx. Then value will be put up in this form. K is a constant 0 plus n pi upon a given to the form because condition will be given to the numericals del u upon del t 0 to t equals to del u upon del t a to t equals to 0. Again by integrated to the part that will be given to the condition that generating to the value and given to the equation for giving that is a minus k upon n square pi square upon a integration 0 to a you considering cos n pi x upon a dx will be generated. That is a d by dt of a UC cosine form nt equals to minus k n square pi square a square UC nt will be generated because of this value will be generated. Then transfer UC nt to this side and they generating to the value dt on other side. Okay, minus k upon n square pi square a square dt. Again integrated by the part to the given equation will be generating that will be generated to the given condition that is a u x 0 equals to f of x and a equals to integration 0 to a f of x cos n pi x upon a dx. Then generating to the formula function of a c equals to f of x n equals to f of x will be generated to the form for the last view. A equals to generating f of c n. Put to the value of a in equation 3 u say n t equals to function of a c n e to the power minus k n square pi square t a square. This will be given as a previous example to generating to the value and consider to the formula. Okay, this value will be generated. Take is inverse Fourier sine transform. They put up to the value that will be generating to the form 1 by a form. Taking inverse to the Fourier cosine transform that is a function of Fourier sine transform generated to the value that is the a will be considering 1 by a f of c a plus 2 by a summation n equals to 1 to infinity u c n t cos n pi x upon a. Then this will be the proof for using u c n t in this formula and generating to the value u c n t equals to 1 by a f of c a plus 2 by a summation n equals to 1 to infinity u c n t f of c generated to the value e to the power integration minus k n square pi square t upon a square cos n pi x upon a. This is the proof of this equation. Questioning of this form to same as a value will be generated. Then after that to generating to the formula same as a previous example as well as this formula will be used as previous example showing to the sine form and this value will be generated as a cosine form. Same procedure will be repeated in this form and solving to the condition of this form. Okay.